Touch the chicken. Touch.
Do not touch, baby. Do not touch. Ooh, the chicken will touch. They eat rice and a rice. Oh, go!
You get rice so that the chicken can eat. Come on.
Do not get rice, baby. They can find food by their own. They can find food by their own. You know chickens eat corn. You know chickens eat corn. Not rice. Oh, you know chickens eat corn, not rice.
Ang cat. Ang pusa. Oh no.
Oh, what do you got?
Hindi yan.
Come on.
Count. How many chicken? Count.
Ay, two, of course. 1, 2, 3.
1 trick chicken.
2, of course. Chicken. Chicken. What chicken? What do you go with your dog? Mama.
Yes.
Mama.
Yes.
Chicken.
Chicken. You like the chicken?
Mommy, chickens eat corn, not rice. Corn.
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 Ew, dirty. Ew.
Chicken. Bye.
Bye-bye chicken.
No chicken.
You hold the chicken. Uy, ate, dirty yan. Ew.
Let's get that. Oh.
No, baby. I think I should go there.
Bye-bye na chicken. Nagalit na ang chicken. Come here na. Go home na. Bye-bye na chicken. Come on. Go home na.